Unboxing of a HP desktop. Here we go. I know you can laugh and talk shit and whatever it is. It's fine. Just gonna unbox this thing, you know what I'm saying? Let's get this thing done. So it comes with what? One keyboard, hopefully. Type some stuff. Makes sense. Need a keyboard every now and again. This unboxing guy is terrible. Okay, we got a keyboard. Looks relatively uglily pretty. That's even if it's a word. Hey, got a mouse. You can run away. Yeah. Got some other cables, power. Hey, whoa. Angles. You know how it goes. Just don't break stuff. I'll just do this. I'll be looking at an empty box on the outside while this guy figures out how he's going to rotate stuff around the environment of life. Fairly securely packaged, you know what I'm saying? Looks good. This guy's cracking himself up. I don't know for what the hell. Anyway, throw that away. Some plastic wrap, protection's always good. Let's see. Looks fairly pretty. This is a Core i5. Let's see what you got for me, baby. Single. What's it? Male, female outlet, whatever. Ethernet port, like 4 USBs, HDMI, VGA. Yeah, they're still using jacks these days. It's fine. Let's check what nice we got on the inside of this. Yeah, he always battles when he's trying to screw. So let's just check if he can get some screwing talent in there. Yeah, got this. Very, very compact actually. 2 fans, impressive. Really minimal. Yeah, one small RAM module. What you got? Oh, NVMe or what's it? M2. Yeah, nice. Not much space if you wanted to do much else. And it's got this power supply. I think it's like what, 100 and something watts most probably. Yeah, what does that say? 180, 160. I need to get better glasses. 180. Awesome. Yeah, well, might work anyway, hey? So that's the HP tower. Nice and small. Might work anyway. Thanks, guys. Love you lots. Don't forget to not shake and subscribe. Just, subscribe, like, comment, hit us up with something. Okay, bye.